Are you feeling better?
पेट से नीचे से भी निकल गया, ऊपर से भी निकल गया, तो लाइट हो गया ना पेट. Did she have an appointment? डॉक्टर का हो चुका है?
Next week.
अच्छा.
Next week is her 4 months.
She's how 4 months old now? 5.
No, she's 4 months old. 4 months next week. She's 3 months right now.
Oh, she's 3 months.
उसका मुंह इधर कर थोड़ा.
She'll be 4 months on April 8th.
फेस इधर को करो थोड़ा.
वो देख रहे हैं. It's hard for child to control ना. वो जिधर देखेगी खिलौना कोई इधर हिला तो तेरे पास देखेगी. कोई टॉय को दिखा.
You see this? What's this? Anaya.
Now she's looking.
You see the cow? What does the cow say? Moo. What is this? Is that a flower? Is that some cheese? And the hens, what do the hens say? Quack, 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 quack. And the bucket.
ध्यान से देख रही.
And the bunny. And the big tractor. Are you reading a book? Are you reading a book? You love to read books. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. She's probably a little bit tired.
फिर कर रही था तो बड़े मजे से हंसती है तो.
If I do too much, then she starts to cry. She doesn't like too much.
Okay.
Anaya. Anaya.
She's ticklish. She's ticklish. Hi Anaya. बात करो कुछ. बोलो बोलो. बोलो बोलो. कुछ तो बोलो. हाँ. 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 नानी से बात करो. छोटी छोटी सी गुलिया फाली फाली बातें करो. पहले तो इतना बोलती थी, आज बोल नहीं लिया.
मम्मी से बात करेगी ना.
हाँ माँ तू बात कर दे, अक्षत तेरे को जवाब दे.
Hi Anaya. Hi. I think because she can see the screen, it's distracting her, so I'm going to turn her.
हाँ अपनी तरफ कर ले बस.
She can't see it.
हाँ now we can see her. Oh my God, she's sitting.
Anaya. Gigi Mama. Hi. Anaya. Hi, Anaya. Oi. Hi. Oh, you spit up. You spit up. Nani and Nana. What are they doing?
She's trying to fail. Look, she's looking. Hi. Hi, Anaya. Hi, Anaya.
Is that you? She was smiling when I put it on first, and it's just her picture. She was smiling when she saw herself.
Yeah, she was.
उससे बात करो ना.
And that made you happy.
Hi, Anaya. Talk to Nani. बोलो तो कुछ तो बोलो बेबी.
कुची कुची कर दे, फूकी मार दे.
फूकी ये थोड़ी ना मारने में हंसते हैं.
कर दे.
हाय अनाया.
फूकी.
अरे चुप हो जा, फूकी से नहीं हंसती है.
Okay, I'm gonna do this one. Hello, Anaya. Hello.
Oh, she's ticklish.
You like that, huh?
She's ticklish, huh?
She's wearing too many clothes, that's why.
ठंड होगी ना वहाँ.
ठंड है.
होगी ठंड, घर उसका ठंडा ही होता है. अनाया, अनाया, बात करो थोड़ी सी. इतनी देर से बातें कर रही थी, अपना पुप्पू करते करते चीखें मार रही थी इतनी. अब बोलती नहीं है. बात करो नानी से. छोटी सी गुलिया, पाली सी गुलिया, बातें करो. कपड़ा